Hello everyone, today I will share with you how to crochet a hat like this. I choose 6mm yarn and 7mm crochet hook. Okay, let's start with magic ring. Put times, chain 2, 1 and 2, one double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet again, half double crochet, and double crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2, slip stitch into the magic ring. Pull the ring tight. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. See you in the next video. Goodbye.